guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're just gonna be doing some 1v1s. Make sure to use nobody's creator code in the item shop. Just don't Diego, I don't want to shout out another creator code like I usually do, like laser. Yeah, use code laser in the item shop. No. Don't use that. It's your boy Camel YT. Use that. It's my friend's. He's really nice. I used to use his code like every day since it came out. Auto supply is last one. Diego, you always have to say that you're not ready. We all know that you're not ready. We're not allowed to fight until we're all not ready. Oh! The drum gun. Matrix, you can't shoot us. We're not ready. Come on, dude. Somebody shot. Alright, I'm ready. I don't really care about traps. Matrix, you streaming? Alright. I was about to say, Diego, you gotta be extra family friendly because a family friendly stream going on and a family friendly video getting made. Yes, I am making a video. Yeah, I'm so rusty. Yeah, but that's me. I'm super rusty, dude. Exactly. My cat just ran into my wall. No, that was my dog. That was Sophie. That's me. There you go. I was fighting you first. Imagine if I hit that. Whoopsie daisy. Are we all fighting in this? No, Diego, we're not all coming for you. I'm going for, Fudge. What's his name? Matrix. Game assisted, kid. Hey guys, I'm using aim assist actually. JK. Ooh. Oh, fudge. I learned this trick from somebody. I'm not really good at doing it. I'm the winner of all of this. Yeah, but look at that small build battle that we had. Like, actually. Diego, I'm in a fight. I'm build battling somebody. I'm kind of low. Hey, whoever just sniped at me. Actually, dude. Why do you try and trap the places I'm not at? Like, actually. What, Diego? I just got murdered. Oh, yeah, the rap that I gifted you to you. Diego, I'm trying to save you here now. Oh, whoopsie daisy, my finger slipped. I'm eating KFC. Why am I still aiming in? Like, actually. dude. You got me. You just call me Eddie? I'm not freaking Eddie, dude. My name is not Eddie. That was a sick play, like... Dude, that was like a sick play how I hunting rifled your wood stuff. Yo, like double hunting rifle is literally the if double pump had an evolution, that's what it would be. Oh shoot. Where's Diego? Where'd he go? Or I think it's physically impossible for me. Yo, why do I hear so many trap placements? Your dad's watching Venom. Has he gotten to the part that Venom ate that one kid? Didn't he eat like many people or something? I haven't watched the movie yet. I don't freaking know, dude. Diego, why are you being so quiet? Quiet, not quiet. Like, dude, nobody can hear your loud voice like they usually can. That was just so smooth how I landed, you guys. Just go in a different room. Oh shoot, I'm dead. Oh fudge, dude! I should have kept pumping. No, it's not pump. It's a combat shotgun. I honestly don't know what I'm trying to do. Okay, can I not get third partied? I freaking hate your Matrix. If I don't know, don't. You're a good friend of mine. That's what you get. That's what you get for third partying me. Oh my god, I'm trying to fight Diego. Can I, like, Matrix, can I fight Diego for once? Like, actually, dude. Why can't I fight Diego, you sweaty piece of Matrix ghost? Diego, I'm actually going super easy on you. Oh, fudge. I didn't know you were going to snipe. I thought you were trying to fight Matrix, dude. Huh? Yeah, I'm going to get murdered. Diego, do you mind helping? Fudge! Hey, dude, I'm trying... Matrix, can you, like, not third party us? You're, like, being super gay. You're... Yes! Like, dude, like, actually. Like, can you, like, not third party your fights? Okay, what? Okay, I tagged you 33. Diego's known for third partying. There wouldn't be a Diego without him third partying. It'd be a Eigo. Not a Diego. Everybody has... Oh my god. Oh fudge, dude. I'm not paying attention. Fudge! Oh my god. Mm. Mm. Okay, you're gonna trap me like that? Like, you're actually gonna try and trap me like that, dude. The Winter Wonderland? Alright. I'll load in Winter Wonderland. Can I, like, edit? Why are you watching Dude Perfect? Like, actually, dude. Why are you watching Dude Perfect? I freaking hate them, dude. They don't even do it first try. I swear they don't. And they're like, oh, I just did that first try. Diego, leaving. Diego. Diego, go back to hub. What? No. No. Yo, what? Matrix? 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 I don't care if he left, really. I kind of do, but like... No, he didn't get mad. I think his game crashed or something. Alright, I just started it. Dude, I just started it. Alright, dude, run. Dude, I don't even have guns. What the heck? I don't got weapons. What the heck, dude? Okay. Dude, what? You can build apparently now. Yeah, dude. No, that's not fair for me. Yo, start the game. Start game. Start game. Start game. No, you didn't. Well, I have no guns. I have no weapons, but I can build. Yeah. Wait. Wait, I think I have the I have the creative thing. I'm gonna get guns. What weapons do you have? What? Yo, what? Yo! Is BS, you're on my team. Yo, this creative match is broken. This match is broken. Yo, like, it's like actually broken. It's broken, dude. Alright, well guys, that's gonna do it for this video, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me getting destroyed and everybody else getting destroyed. So, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and yee-hee.